Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today we've got an exciting unboxing video with you guys. Probably by the title you can tell this is going to be a coach unboxing, and it's going to be of this little guy that I managed to pick up at McArthurGlen West Midlands outlet. If you've not seen that video yet, I'll let you pause this video and go and check that out, as because they've got really good stuff. Coach himself, regardless of the other shops, you can save some good deals on that there. And without further ado, let's crack on. So we've got the little coach bag, which I don't know how it's happened, but we've managed to still come home with little bags of Lindt chocolate from that day, which you know what it's like when you have to pass the Lindt shop and you're a chocolatier or a chocolate addict. Yeah, I know the colourful colours are jumping out at you, and I end up buying pick and mix chocolate, which I will be say I've not actually managed to eat any of them yet as of time of recording. Might change time and release date, we shall see. So Coach, for anybody who's unaware, is kind of a mid-level premium brand. I would say it probably rivals things like Diesel and maybe like Ralph Lauren to an extent maybe. The quality seems to be quite good, and from what I've seen in YouTube videos, a lot of the ladies' accessories seem to be quite well made. A lot of people seem to compare it to Louis Vuitton for that kind of quality of the material, but the price point is a lot more affordable, and I can say this piece was definitely affordable that we're going to jump into. That's kind of the logo. American brand, you can see Coach New York with literally the little horse-drawn carriage on the front of it. It does have kind of a recycled material feel, which is nice. Kind of, I guess in this day and age, we're all thinking about the environment. But there's no fancy packaging, it is just as is, and we'll slide it out. And here we have a little Coach card holder, which hopefully it will pop up and show you. If not, I'll just have to throw over screen overlays. So we do have a little kind of card holder, got 3 slots at each side. So at the back there it's embossed Coach, and it says this is a Coach accessory. It's crafted in genuine sport calf, a smooth fine grain leather with a naturally vintage look. Wear it out to wear it in. It will only get better with age. So that's hot stamped into the back of it, and at the front it just says Coach New York. It's got a very kind of soft, kind of leathery feel. It smells nice because it's leather. The best bit about this has been at the outlet. So RRP, they're saying this is £75, which for anybody who's maybe a luxury enthusiast, for about 100 and maybe 20 odd pound, you can get one of these at Bicester Village Gucci. Maybe it's 125, £130 now, but last time I was there I think they were about 120 odd. They can get a full wallet for I think 130. So bear in mind that I think Louis Vuitton you're probably looking, I think the men's one they've got close to this in the monogram eclipse is just over 200, and I think you can get a ladies kind of card holder with like 2 slots at each side. I think it's 150. So this is, drumroll please, is £35 and 10 pence, so just under 50% off. Is that right? No, just over 50% off. Maths going the other way, it would have been like £37 for 50%, so it's about 50, maybe closer to 60% off actually, without doing exact maths. Don't shoot me, I'm just quickly working this out while doing the video. So yeah, it's a good saving, good discount. That was kind of classic of what the kind of discounts would be in Coach at the McArthurGlen West Midlands, so I do recommend you go and having a look. There wasn't too many items in the menswear, but the accessories I did have a few. I do like the quality and feel. It has got the soft leather in the edging at the side there at the top, and it does open up in the middle. So if I open it up in the middle, you can see your care instructions with the Coach logo in front, and you can open that out and read to your heart's content. I think most people are just going to use a card holder without any care. But I guess you could probably put some creams in that one if you want to make it last longer. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Quality of it all I'm pretty impressed with. Said I've only looked at this once when I bought it, and it's on the floor, and stitching and all that looks pretty good, and I would recommend checking out Coach if you haven't before. So as always, thanks very much for watching Thomas Talks. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!